What's up guys, what's going on, how y'all doing? Okay, so this video I'm making because I don't see any videos out there on this product, and I was going to use it on my personal car, but obviously we're making the Trigga spec single turbo kits for the VQ platform, so I won't be able to utilize these anymore because I'm not going to stay NA, but I still figured I'd make a video for it, so anybody who's looking to get some, you guys can see the video. Alright, so as you guys can tell by the title, we got a pair of Tomei headers for the VQ platform and some Tomei test pipes. So this kit is very rare, obviously, and very expensive, but if you can get your hands on a set, it's the best set to go with. Best headers in the game, best test pipes in the game. So these are the VQ Tomei headers. As you guys can see, it's 3-into-1 merge collector, same thing with here. But what you need to know about this setup is, if you plan to run these, the flange is much smaller than an HR and VHR. Now the reason being is, when Tomei made these, they made them only for DE, but there's a way to fit them on the HR and the VHR. As you guys can see, the manifold stud locations are a bit different. Now for any Z's 2009 to 2012, this will fit. You just need to move your studs around. 2016 or 2012 to 2016, they already come with the studs ready to go for it. If your car doesn't, you would have to move it around. The engine's already threaded for the holes, so you would have to remove your OEM studs and put them in the new correct location for these. Now if you have a DE, this is a direct bolt-on, but any guys with HR, VHR, you're going to need the Tomei DE test pipes, or any DE test pipes, because the flange on the DE test pipe is much smaller, rather to the VHR and HR use a much larger flange. So if you plan to run this setup, especially the headers, you're gonna go ahead and need to get yourself a set of DE test pipes. But otherwise than that, this is a direct fit, no modification needed, nothing. But yeah, hopefully, you know, this video can help somebody out. But this kit pretty much comes with all the gaskets you need for the headers, all the gaskets and hardware for the test pipes. It's a very nice setup, especially if you guys are trying to do this for your VQ. This is the best of the best systems out there. But yeah, like I said, I won't be able to utilize it on my car. One of my customers actually purchased this whole setup for his DE engine. Only has 26,000 miles, so it's going to be a very nice combo. But yeah, like I said, there's no videos out there really on these, so I figured I'd make it. Hopefully this helps somebody out who's looking to get them and answers your question. But yeah, any HR, VHR, you just need to move your studs around. DE, direct fit. HR, VHR, if you install these, you need DE test pipes. But yeah, hopefully this helped some of you guys. Anyways, yeah, that's it. Stay tuned, we got the turbo kits coming out.